Welcome to CAD with Mr. U, your CAD resource. In today's video, we'll be looking at part 1 of 6 videos covering the topic, how to draw an involute to a circle. In a previous video, we looked at the construction of an Archimedean spiral. We highly recommend that you visit that video. We'll be starting the video now. Welcome back to CAD with Mr. U. In today's video, we'll be looking at the construction of an involute to a circle. So what we're going to do, we're going to calculate the circumference for the circle, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to get our calculator and we're going to multiply 40 times 3.14, okay? So 3.14 times 40, which is the diameter, is equal to 125.6 millimeters. So the first thing we're going to draw is the circumference of the circle. So we're going to select here, and the circle going to turn on ortho. The circumference is equal to 125.6 millimeters. Enter. All right. So we're going to center the drawing and we're going to zoom it up. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to label the line for you so you can follow, okay? All right. We're going to go text, single line text. The height would be 4, enter. Rotational angle would be 0, enter. So all caps, this would be A, this would be B. All right. What we're going to do now, we're going to divide this line into 12 equal parts. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a line from here. Any random, I'm going to turn off ortho so you can see the line. Any random line, enter. I'm going to label that line for you, C. All right. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to turn off snap, object snap, sorry. I'm going to click here and this would be the height to be 4, rotational angle 0. This would be C. All right, what I'm going to do now, because I want to divide the line into 12, I'm going to mark 12 arcs of the same radius along the line AC, with the radius being any convenient radius, but I'm going to use 10 millimeters, all right? So I'm going to come up to the Draw tab. I'm going to select the drop-down arrow at arc. I'm going to go Center, Start, End. So I'm going to turn on Object Snap, right? This radius will be 10. All right, I'm going to repeat the process. So we're going to come back again. Center, start, end. This radius will be 10. Come again. Center, start, end. We need 10 millimeter radius. Enter. Good. So we come in center, start, end. So center here. Radius will be 10. Now remember, you can use any convenient radius. I just use 10 millimeters. And if you're using the traditional instruments, the 10 millimeters is easy to measure on the set square or your ruler, depending on what tool you're using as a measuring tool. So we go intersection, 10 millimeter arc, enter. Good. Hope you're following along. Good job. So center, start, end, center here. Radius will be 10. Enter. Come again. Center, start, end. Its radius is 10. Come again. Center, start, end. Radius will be 10. Enter. We're going to repeat the process. Center, start, end. 10 millimeter. Enter. We're going to do one more, and then we're going to number the points. Center, start, end. Center. Radius is 10. Enter. All right, so let us number it for you. So we're dividing the line AB into 12 equal parts. So the start, I'm going to turn off object snap. The start would be here. The height would be 4, rotational angle 0. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 would be here, 12. All right, so we need one more arc. So we're going to go center, start, end. I'm going to turn on object snap. And the radius here would be 10. Right, so that is a 12 division. What we're going to do now, from 12, I'm going to draw a line, a construction line to B. Enter. Now, if you are using the traditional instruments, you will use two set squares, align one of the set squares to the line 12B, and in the slide one set square on the other set square to get it parallel. How I get the parallel line, I copy, right? So I go copy, I select the line 12B as the object, I press enter, I'm going to come here and choose the end point of the line as the base point, right? And I'm going to copy it just like this to each of those points, all right? I'm going to come at 4. I'm going to come to 3. I'm going to center the drawing so you can see it, all right? So we're now at 3. I'm going to go to 2. I'm going to go to 1. Enter. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to use the trim command. So we're going to go under the modify tab. We're going to click this trim command, the trim tool, and we're going to just come across like this. And this is how you divide a line into 12 equal parts. Okay, so good job if you got it correct. What I'm going to do, I'm going to draw the circle right here, right? So the radius of the circle would be 20 millimeters, right? I'm going to turn our object snap is on. I'm going to turn on snap, right? Enter. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the dimensions on it. So we're going to go diameter. We have come to the end of part 1 of 6 videos covering the topic how to draw an involute to a circle. In the next video, we'll be doing part 2 where we'll be continuing the construction of the involute. We're looking forward to seeing you in part 2. Take care until then. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.